Hi everyone, it's Beth, and today I have a sponsored review for you of LUXXEUMCOIN, which is currently in its sponsors pre-sale. But first, let me remind you that I am not a financial advisor, so everything I say here is only my opinion. So please take the time, do your own due diligence, and then remember to never invest anything that you're unwilling to lose. Okay, so today I'm going to be talking about LUXXEUMCOIN, which is a passive income coin with a lot of different options and different things that they are integrating here into the platform. So let's go ahead and take a look at what it is that they are going to be trying to do. So first of all, their pre-sale is, well, their pre-sale, so it's the sponsor sale, is going on now. It's been open for a little while, and it actually is, they announced yesterday that they are going to be closing the pre-sale. That is going to be on May 31st, so that's Thursday, May 31st. So if you want to get the cheapest coins available, that of course is in the earliest phase of the sale, and that is right now. Coins in this phase are 35 cents. Additionally, there was an announcement that went out yesterday that part of what they are, LUXXEUMCOIN is going to be doing is that they will be having a buyback campaign. So they say that part of that buyback campaign will make sure that the price never again sees 35 cents because they plan to buy it up from above that level. So if it's something that interests you, definitely the sooner the better. So let's keep going and talk about why you might spend 35 cents on a token for LUXXEUMCOIN. All right, so here's a disclaimer. They say that they have been compared to a lending platform, but that they are not a lending platform. So they are created to sustaining a sustainable, legit, and very low-risk avenues for investors to profit. And this can be seen in our staking interest, which is very sustainable over a very long period of time. To that end, I will show you what the chart is for the staking, but it's very generous. So I'm glad to hear that the numbers that they have listed there are very sustainable because they are very generous. Okay, so LUXXEUMCOIN, it's a blockchain. They are a group of people who describe themselves as blockchain enthusiasts and businessmen and experts drawn from various fields to tackle the economic and financial problems of regions and communities by positively affecting one person, organization, or business at a time. I will say that they did release a video yesterday with their first public team member, and they did also say as part of that update yesterday that there will be more interviews and more information about the team coming out. I did speak to the founder and CEO about the team. He said that right now they have the team split up into two phases. They are working, they have a team that is doing their more immediate short-term stuff and another team that is working on their more long-term projects. So they are, they are working on getting a whole bunch of different stuff done. They have a lot of ideas here, a lot of ideas. All right, so what's the core of the business though is that they're going to have a staking program, and it is going to pay up to 18% monthly. If you have staked your coins, you are eligible for free lottery tickets, because another key core aspect of the business, of their core business plan, is a lottery and like casino type games. So you'll win amazing prizes and get bounties in LXX lottery. That's LUXXEUM token. That's the symbol. Make real money while you have fun with LXX games. And they are also going to have peer-to-peer loans. Now, this is not the same as like as a lending platform when you hear lending. This is more, if you're familiar with SALT, this is more in that vein. So it is a peer-to-peer lending platform so that you can, as somebody who's looking to get a loan, you can place an order for what it is you're looking for, what, how much you're looking to loan, what the interest rate is you want to pay, and the term of your loan, and put that out for somebody who's interested in funding that loan to match up with. Alternatively, if you have crypto or if you have fiat and you want to loan it out, or crypto, I guess, but if you want to be the person originating a loan and getting the interest payments on that loan, you can also make an offer to give out a loan to somebody who is in need of it. Again, you just describe how much interest it is you're looking for and what the duration of the loan that you are willing to extend to someone else is. So that's a pretty interesting portion of this. I do like that. But if you are going to participate in that portion of this platform, everybody who's going to do a quick loan, which is the peer-to-peer lending, is going to have to do KYC in order to participate in that portion of this platform. So far as I can tell, that is the only portion of the platform that will require KYC, but that portion does. Okay, so they're gonna have a lottery. Like I said, you can get free lottery tickets if you have staked your coins, or you can buy lottery tickets with your LXX tokens. So LXX is going to be used in lotteries and games as a reward for winners and as a payment to acquire gaming promotions, tools, and more. Amazing prizes will be awarded to the winners of our lottery, both in currencies and as spectacular gifts. Hit the jackpot, make a huge fortune while you play. Our games are user-friendly and, most importantly, fun. Luxxeum lottery winners will be directly contacted after the draw. Our draws will be taken weekly for weekly winners and monthly for a monthly grand winner every month. The monthly draw will be streamed live for everyone around the world to watch. So another aspect of their, ecosystem over here, and part of their hopefully profit-generating aspect will be, of a lottery that's profit-generating to them also. But then the mobile market here, and it is a mobile market for mobile devices. So this is an e-commerce website where any mobile device can be sold. They are creating their own phone where they are going to have native blockchain applications that are a part of the phone when it launches. Just to be clear, it's not like a full blockchain phone. This is not, you aren't going to be getting an integrated hardware wallet like you would with the Finny phone by Siren Labs or with the Exodus by HTC. I did do a video about blockchain phones last week, so if you're interested more in blockchain phones, take a look at that. But anyway, so the phone specifications are here, and they're also because, this brings me to a partnership. Okay, so when you first come over to LUXXEUMCOIN, they actually have listed here their announced partnership with Social Wallet. I also did a review of Social Wallet if you want to check that out. But basically the idea behind Social Wallet is that you are able to send cryptocurrency. Wire tokens is what the Social Wallet platform uses. But you'll be able to send wire tokens, and they are integrating LXX. So you'll also be able to send LXX tokens using the Social Wallet network. And for that, you are just using someone's username. You don't have to have their receive address in order to send tokens to them. You can just send wire tokens, or now Luxxeum coins, just directly through their platform, and then they get a notification on the other end that someone sent them cryptocurrency. So it's a really interesting way, I think, to get people into cryptocurrency who are users of social media but might not be already users of crypto. So you can send tips, that kind of stuff that way. So I think it's great that they already have this partnership announced. They will be integrated into the Social Wallet platform, so you'll be able to send Luxxeum tokens over that platform. Right now, they are already working on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, as well as all email providers, but they're going to be adding 14 other social media sites, which includes YouTube, WeChat, Twitch, Discord, Telegram, and a lot of other platforms, as well as SMS, to be able to send someone crypto via their phone number. So I love this partnership. I think that's fantastic. And so not only will Social Wallet be listing LXX token into their platform, so we can easily send it around, but also LUXXEUMCOIN is going to be listing the wire token as an accepted means of payment on their mobile e-commerce marketplace. So there we go. It's going to be a native application that is pre-installed on their smartphone also. So that's this phone over here. So there's the specs here if you're interested in that, but it's basically a smartphone, and it's going to come with some blockchain apps on it. Okay, here are the coin specifications. This is an ERC20 token, so you will, I believe you need an ERC20 token and compatible wallet in order to contribute to this sale. And the coin name is LUXXEUMCOIN. The ticker is LXX. Like I said, it is an ERC20 token. The maximum supply here is only 9 million coins. And like I said, they do have a buyback program in mind. So these seem to me like they're going to be pretty scarce. It goes out to 9 decimals. The available supply right now is 6 million coins. There's a pre-sale of 1 million coins. The ICO supply is 4 million. Then there's 500,000 coins for marketing and 500,000 for the development team. There's the contract address also. All right, so the token sale starts immediately after the platform is launched. The first round is the early investor sale, and that is happening now. Like I said, that's 35 cents a token. Then the pre-sale is going to move up to 50 cents a token, and then the ICO is going to have different rounds at different prices, of course. Accepted currencies. So during the sponsored sale, it's just BTC and ETH. And then during the pre-ICO and ICO, they're going to accept BTC, ETH, and Electroneum coins. And also the Electroneum mobile miner, easy for me to say, the Electroneum mobile miner will also be an app, a native app on the LUXXEUMCOIN smartphone. All right. Oh, if you participate in the sponsor sale and you want to start staking early, they are also doing a competition. So these 10 people that are listed over here as the top 10 sponsors are eligible to start an early staking package. And if you have an early staking package, you have to be in the top 10. So if somebody else buys more tokens than you have and you get bumped off the top 10 and you get your staking package closed out. So the incentive there, of course, is to stay in the top 10 so that you can have your early staking contract continue on. They will be opening up staking for everyone after the conclusion of the sponsored sale, which again, that is set to conclude on the 31st. So here's the roadmap. The project started in November. In February, they put together the team and the first version of the white paper. It's the second version that's out right now. In March, they launched the website. In April, they started the sponsor sale. They are working on an upgrade to the website right now and an upgrade to their BTC and ETH deposit and withdrawal system. They're working on upgrading these May upgrades right now. Then they're going to be doing the pre-ICO and doing the LXX lottery beta here as May wraps up. Then in June is the ICO and staking for everyone and the LXX lottery. They're also going to have a live event show and internal exchange testing. They said, when I was speaking to the CEO, he said that their first pairs on the internal exchange are going to be LXX paired with Bitcoin, paired with ETH, and paired with Electroneum, with more coins being paired on the exchange as time moves on. And additionally, as I'm talking about the exchange, part of what they're doing here is profit sharing of the exchange fees. So they are giving out 95% of the fees to token holders who have staked 20,000 LXX tokens or more. You're going to get your share of the fees if you have that many tokens. So that's the bottom amount to qualify. And then the remaining 5%, they are going to distribute to the top 3 buyers from the month. So that's very, very generous, very generous. So if you ask me, I think it's a little bit too generous, and they should have kept some of the money for sustainability. But the CEO thinks that this is the right call because more people will want to participate in the exchange and in the platform if they are getting a share of all of the fees. So that's what they're doing. They're sharing all of the fees. Okay, so July, the internal exchange is going to be open, and the LXX games will open, plus their mobile wallet, their quick loans will start. That's the peer-to-peer lending portion, and they hope to be on external exchanges in July also. They have their target exchange listings are Coin Exchange, Nova Exchange, which is back now, and Cryptopia. So also, because this is an ERC20 token, I fully expect that we will see this in pretty short order on sites like Fork Delta and IDEX and DDEX and lots of other decentralized exchanges where you really only need to have a contract address in order to list a token. So there you go. All right, next up in August, they are going to have the PXT beta. And so that is like proxy trading, I think is what they're doing. So it seemed to me kind of like a trading bot. That part was a little bit confusing to me, honestly, when I was reading about it in the white paper. So definitely go and read about it in the white paper, but you're giving up BTC or cryptocurrency to be traded by LUXXEUMCOIN, and you basically tell them what your price target is, and then they go out and they trade for you and get that price target. So if you get more than that, then you get 70% of the higher percentage than you already agreed on. And if they can't get that price, then I think you can like take the lower price that they can get, or I don't really know what happens. Maybe you just hold on forever. But in any case, that is a beta that's coming out in August. So then their payment gateway and the e-store integration is also supposed to be coming in August. So I assume that will be when the mobile market is really coming out and the integration with Wire Token will come around. So let's see, September, they're going to have a Leaders Summit, the mobile market, and the LXX Diamond blockchain. So they are planning to migrate off of the Ethereum blockchain and to their own blockchain, which he did tell me was going to be something that is more privacy focused. So I think especially since they are dealing with gambling style games, casino style games, and that type of market, that the people who are interested in that type of market are probably also the type of people who are interested in sending transactions privately. So there you go. He did tell me that that's part of what's happening over there with the Diamond blockchain. Then in October, they have the LXX Community Cryptocurrency Campaign, and then in December, the LXX Diamond campaign. So I already talked about the exchanges. Really, I think I've gone over pretty much everything here. If you want to get in touch with them, they do have a Telegram channel and a support channel. There's also a little chat box here on the site. And, I would definitely go and read. Where is it? The white paper is one of these. There it is. Read the white paper. It's 23 pages. There's a lot more information in here, including, sorry, I thought that the staking was, find it. There we go. So here's the staking chart. If you are, now this says 7 days is only for the top tier. On the main page, when you go over, here, I'll show you. And maybe that's just for, but if I go into staking here, and maybe this is just for the early staking for the sponsor sale, because this says that all of them are a minimum of 7 days. But over here in the white paper, it does say 7 days only for the top tier, then 14 days if you have between $5,010 and $10,000, and 21 days if you have between $1,010 and $5,000, and 28 days between $50 and $1,000. And that is the percentage interest that is going to be paid out each day. So for the base amount here, it's 0.34%. The next tier is 0.42%. The next tier is 0.5%, and the top tier is 0.6%. So that's between 10 and 18% monthly if you stake your coins for the entire month. So the funding for this is coming from the lottery. It's coming from their mobile marketplace, and he said that there will be some other partnerships coming around where they will have some other businesses that they're investing in and should be getting returns to also share with the staking there. So it's really pretty generous. And of course, I'm always looking for passive income opportunities. So, I thought I would share this one with you guys today. So if you did like the video, then please do go ahead and leave a like. And if you would like to see more from me, then please do subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave those in the comment section. And as always, I would like to thank you very much for your time today, and I will see you next time.